you ready for St. Patrick's Day? Oh, Katie, look what we have acquired on this fine St. Patrick's Day for 2020. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it's the Shamrock Shake from McDonald's.
We did it. Welcome back to Best Life and Beyond, everyone. Yes. We needed to go out and get firewood. We realized it was getting colder and colder and we were going to run out.
Yep.
So we needed to go get those, and we realized we can drive through and get Shamrock Shakes.
Yeah.
Yay! This is how you do St. Patty's Day. Binky? You don't want any? You don't feel like it? Nah. She's not into the Shamrock.
She's already lucky enough. But it's very minty, as a Shamrock Shake is.
Oh,
but,
that reminds me of David and Liz.
Oh, minty. It's so minty. We're going to find all things minty, and we just found them. Shout out to Dave and Liz.
We miss our friends. We miss our friends. Anyway, so we're going to, this is our home vlog for today. Mostly home. We're gonna enjoy St. Patrick's Day, so I think that'll be a fun thing to do today.
Well, like Katie said, get some firewood and then shamrock it up because it's the finest day of the year according to Patrick Begora. Patrick, we miss you, my friend.
We do.
Cheers. You know what we should do, Katie?
What?
Right now, in Best Life Beyond fashion, we should cheers Mr. Begora on this fine day that we find ourselves here. Blessed, yes, so blessed with things.
Okay. Ready? Cheers.
Cheers, Patrick Begora. Well, good morning, everyone. Day 2 of Home is Where the Vlog is. We have arrived back on the beach.
This is sad. We used to be like super tan, and the winter has wrecked us.
Give me a week and a half of being homebound. I'm gonna get leathered up.
Well, provided we actually have sun.
That's true. Any sun that's here. I am white. I don't even want to show myself. Okay, we're going close up, but
we're self-conscious.
We came back. We're down on the beach. It's beautiful out. It is like unreal. Look at the diamonds on the water. It's stunning, and we have just enough tide left to kind of hang out here for maybe an hour.
Yep.
And yeah, it's just nice.
Enjoy it.
Made myself a little margarita.
Isolation.
Yep. I think he's chilling. Look at her. Could she be more relaxed on her green St. Patrick's Day towel? All right, let's walk down to the water and see how cold it is. I bet you I haven't been in this water in quite a bit of time. Usually it starts getting really cold in March, April. Spring is the coldest water we get here in LA. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, a little chilly, but with a wetsuit, you're good to go. Come on, Bink. Lead the way. Good girl. What's up, beach girl? What are you doing? You on recon? Safari mode? There she goes. It's her favorite zone up in there under this house. A lot of females up there to inspect. All the other dogs stop in there. Tag the wall. There she goes.
Not a cloud in the sky, except for that little one right there.
Oh yeah, look at that. A couple little specks right there.
I was just about to say that, and then I looked. Did you see what I brought down to the party?
Oh,
Goofy sour gummies for the win.
Oh boy.
I have to ration these,
I was gonna say, be careful.
I can't eat too many at a time, only like...
Katie rationing, this is a new thing for her.
One more.
So she's adjusting.
Oh man, they're so good.
Okay, that's it. Enjoy that one. There you go, savor. Oh, All right, the sun has set. We're up now. It's gotten a little chilly, so we have created fire. And we got stocked up on some wood earlier. So yeah, it's feeling pretty good. It gets really cold because I'm in an elevated apartment and I have ocean under me basically, so floors get pretty cold. So fire is necessary. And I don't really have central heating or anything like that. I have that heater that you see right there. That's about it. And this. We're here in front of the fire and it's really cool. Look at this lighting. I get like this half blue, half red. Wow. Is this that lighting that Kylo Ren about to kill Han Solo? It is, huh? Anyways, cheese ball check-in. It's really the same. I haven't eaten any cheese balls, so the level's the same. Still to the label there. Katie, have you had any cheese balls?
No.
Still the same.
But you need to come and unload the dishwasher.
Oh boy, I've been called to unload the dishwasher. All right, that's your cheese ball check-in. Somebody's taking a nap. Not concerned with the ongoings of the world. Just sleeping away. Oh, hello, sorry to wake you. Don't mind us. And look at the shamrocks that Katie bought. They're still looking good. Couple of blooms standing by to happen there. Lucky shamrocks. What are you doing?
I'm gonna make dinner even though it's pretty late because I fell asleep and took a quarantine nap.
Yep.
But since we're not big on like corned beef, like we'll eat it, but it's not like, you know, we're just not big on that kind of meat.
Right.
Especially you. So I'm going to make fried cabbage with bacon and onions.
Ooh.
And then roast some carrots and then like fried kind of potato, you know, like potato with like onions and stuff. So,
yum.
You know, there's meat being by way of bacon, but
okay.
You know, it should be good. It's like a pretty much things that you would eat for St. Patrick's Day, or that we would, just
right.
Minus the, you know, the corned beef.
Sure. And there's been talk later of watching Darby O'Gill and the Little People?
Yeah. I would like that. Yes. Probably that's how we'll end the night. Yeah, but you need to unload the dishwasher, because I have dishes to do. That's the other thing. Spencer is the dish unloader, and I'm the loader. And the one thing is, the loader has to nag the unloader. So, unloader. Alright, I got some carrots, just one bunch, because there's just two of us. And I'm going to roast these with salt, pepper, in a very, very small amount of time.
Because I have a very small amount of time.
But I use that olive oil spray. And I'm going to pop these in the oven and let them roast. Because I'm kind of rationing things, I used half of a, you know, pack of bacon or a little less. And I'm just kind of chopping it up quite small. And then I used half of a head of cabbage. So first I'm going to fry the bacon, and then once all the fat, like, you know, starts to come out, I'm going to use that grease to cook. I'm going to do one onion sliced really thin, and then throw the cabbage in, season it up, fry it, and that'll be it for that dish. And then I'm going to start chopping the potatoes and, you know.
Chop the potatoes! I had the potatoes.
I'm not using that potato.
Why in St. Patrick's name won't you use this potato? It's not good enough for you.
That's a russet.
What is wrong with the russet?
I'm using these little Dutch.
I'll be gone with you.
Oh, you're back, Patrick.
Who?
Patrick? Oh.
No.
You don't know about Patrick Demora.
There was another dude here? What?
I mean, maybe.
Okay. Alright, for St. Patrick's Day I have a special outfit. Katie, are you ready? I'm just gonna kind of switch out. I know I'm wearing my green Mickey shirt, but like, I've actually got something planned.
Oh, okay.
I thought of. Alright, here it is. Oh, hello, what do you know? They said I've grown a beard, a bright red Irish beard, and I'm wearing my hat like a leprechaun should. Now I'm ready for St. Patrick's Day. Kate, I'm not ready for St. Patrick's Day. Oh my goodness, look who decided to celebrate. That's right. Happy St. Patrick's Day from Binky, everybody. She likes to go the extra step. She's into the lighting, the LEDs. She wants to make a statement, a bold statement. She's an Irish little chihuahua. She comes from the land of the leprechauns, way down in Mexico. You didn't know that they were there, did you? Very nice, Binky. Good job. Way to keep it on brand.
Okay, so I have put the onion in there. That got all like soft and translucent. And I have now added the cabbage. So I'm just trying to get it all coated with the bacon fat. And it's on pretty high heat right now. About a 7 there. Oh, a piece of cabbage. And then I'll probably, like, salt and pepper. You kind of want to be careful with the salt, obviously, because we put bacon in here. And then I'm not going to get too fancy with seasoning. I'm probably just going to do some granulated garlic. And, like I said, maybe just some salt and pepper. Nothing too fancy. You know, I don't want to get too crazy with it today. I also will maybe put a little bit of caraway seed in there because caraway is really good with cabbage. Before I mix it, I added a healthy amount, I want to say half a tablespoon, maybe a tablespoon of garlic powder, a little bit of black pepper, a small pinch of salt, and about maybe like a teaspoon or less of caraway seed. And we're going to mix it all together. Okay, I have peeled and chopped some potatoes. I actually think I made too many, to be honest, but it's fine. We don't have to put all of them in the pan. And then the other half of the onion, I didn't use the whole onion for the cabbage, I realized. But you want to kind of make them around the same size. I always say this. And you want to get your pan nice and hot with some olive oil in it, but beware. Be very, 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 very careful. I cannot stress this enough, how much to be careful, because there's moisture content in the potatoes, and when they hit that oil and they mix, they can fry and spatter, and it can be a nightmare. So just be very, very careful, especially if you're putting bacon in there. Which, speaking of bacon, I gotta kind of stir this. This is just about done. Once the cabbage is tender, you are good to go. Okay, time for the potatoes. Okay, so the potatoes are in there with the onions, and I haven't moved them. I probably should have done less potatoes, but oh well. I put a bunch of garlic in just to kind of like cover the top. I still might even add more, and a little bit of pepper. And now the main thing that makes these delicious is Lowry's seasoning salt. So I'm just gonna pour those all over. Now remember, potatoes can handle a good amount of salt, so don't be super shy on that. And we're just gonna kind of let it fry. So that is the key to making these fried potatoes. The other thing is you want to make sure you cut them thin and small enough so that they'll actually cook.
Oh yeah.
Because if not, I mean,
yeah, like home fresh potato style, yeah. Yeah,
that's kind of what we're doing. You could also put bacon in these, would be good, but because we have it in the cabbage, I don't need to do it. And I personally like these a little saltier. I want like a salty bite when I eat these. I don't want them to taste all just like plain potato.
Right, taste test.
Oh, so good. Some of that bacon got a little burned. I like it. I didn't know the burner was on. This is so good. If you're a cabbage fan, you'll like this.
Ah, look who's arrived. Katie.
I'm finally. Cheers.
Katie of the Shire. Hello. Good day to you.
This is the best drink ever if you're at Whole Foods. It is an Italian soda. It's the tropical blend.
Oh,
my gosh.
Very nice. I'm enjoying it. We don't have that kind of drinking out in lovely Ireland. We've got Guinness, we've got Irish whiskey, but we don't have the Italian soda.
Oh, it's time to eat.
Oh,
come on.
Oh.
Okay, we're having some leftover casserole from last night so as not to waste.
Okay.
We have I kind of burned a couple of the bacon bits, but oh well. We have the cabbage, we have some roasted carrots, and we have some fried potatoes.
Oh,
and
the
onions.
potatoes, that warms my heart, Katie. Thank you.
So good.
That's such a lovely hat that you're done in there on this lovely St. Patrick's Day in 2020. Legendary. Yes, it is. What we're missing is the Guinness. I forgot about the Guinness.
I don't drink though.
That's true.
Okay, let's see what you think, Mr. Leprechaun.
Oh, sure, I'll be delighted. Absolutely delighted. The smell alone.
The smell alone.
But the thing is, being a leprechaun, you got to watch out for your beard.
Oh,
So lots of times you just...
that's why you stopped.
So you hold it down.
Okay.
That's to eat, you know.
Is it delicious?
Ah. My mother back home would be so proud.
Yay! All right, guys, that's going to wrap up our vlog. Home is where the vlog is. Day 2. And I hope you all had a wonderful St. Patty's Day.
Oh, how could you not, Katie? How could you not? Ah.
If you like this video, please make sure to let us know by giving it a thumbs up.
Yes, give it a thumbs up.
And subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on your bell notifications so that way you know every morning when we post a video, you're the first one in there.
Oh, that's very convenient.
And if you want to support Best Life and Beyond, you can become a Patreon member. All that information will be in the description box below.
Oh, thank you for all that, Katie.
All right, Leprechaun, what do you say to everyone?
We will see you next time on Best Life and Beyond. Bye-bye, everyone. Oh, this is